We're going to look at how to determine the determinant from a 3 by 3 matrix or a third order matrix. Anytime you're writing determinant, you'll always put the letters DET in front of the matrix, or you'll rewrite the matrix with what looks to be absolute value. But in this case, since it's a matrix, it's always for finding the determinant. So we have a third order matrix. We're going to find the determinant. Let's go ahead and write out how to find the determinant, and then I'll show you how we got this answer. By definition, to do a third order determinant, you'll take the top row, which consists of the numbers 3, 1, and 2, and you'll write those down. The second number, number 1, will always be a subtraction. The third number, number 2, will always be addition. And based on the number that you chose, you take the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix that's left over. So when I choose the number 3, I cannot use that row or that column. So what's left over is the determinant of 2, 1, negative 2, 1. When I use the number 1, I can't use that row or column. So the determinant left over is a 2 by 2, and that consists of negative 1, 1, 2, and 1. And the third number is 2, and what's left over after crossing out that row and column is the determinant made up of negative 1, 2, 2, and negative 2. Once again, when you use a determinant and you're going to use the numbers across the top, for example, when I used the number 3 for the beginning, that means I can no longer use anything in that row or that column. So the areas that you see that are not under the highlighter, that's what I use for the determinant. Similarly, when I do the number 1, I can no longer use that column or that row. So I take the numbers left over and build a 2 by 2 matrix and find the determinant of that. And then last but not least, when I do the number 2, I can no longer use that column or that row. So the 4 numbers left over constitute a 2 by 2. And then I use that to find the determinant of that 2 by 2 matrix. So now let's simplify by finding these determinants. The determinant of the first 2 by 2 matrix will be 2 times 1 minus 1 times negative 2. Simplifying, that would be 2 plus 2. So that answer would be 4. The second matrix, 2 by 2, be negative 1 times 1 minus 2 times 1. So that would be negative 1 minus 2. The answer there is minus 3. The last determinant, 2 by 2, be negative 1 times negative 2 minus 2 times 2. That would be positive 2 minus 4. That would be minus 2. Now we still have our numbers at the top we have to bring down. So that 4 at the beginning for the first number would be multiplied by 3. Subtracting a 1 times a negative 3 for the middle, and then adding 2 times a negative 2. So simplifying this would be 12 minus, and that would be a minus 3, and then plus, and 2 times negative 2 would be minus 4. So in effect we have 12 plus 3 minus 4, so that would be 15 minus 4. So the answer to the determinant is 11. So for a 3 by 3 third order matrix, this is by definition how you solve it, and you're going to end up with just one number, and that answer in this case is 11.